Yeah, good evening, everyone. So today it is a doubt session. One by one, I will give the permission to ask your doubts. So please raise your hand if you have any questions to ask. And the remaining people, please observe what are the doubts they are getting and what are the answers for that. So good. Roshni, yeah, what is your question?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Sir, in Java, can we create object in only one way, that is using new operator or some
No,
another?
no, there are total 5 ways available to create the object. As of now, we discussed about only one approach. In
One.
future, we will discuss those also.
Okay, sir. Sir, my doubt is next doubt is, sir, parameter no argument parameter. Sorry, sir. Default constructor and zero parameters constructor are same.
Zero param constructor and default constructor purpose is same. But if you don't write the constructor, whatever the constructor is adding by the compiler, that is called default constructor. If you write the constructor without any parameter, that is called zero param.
Zero.
Functionality purpose is same. But if you don't write, that is called default. If you write without parameter, it is called zero param.
Okay, sir.
Functionality is the same.
Yeah. Sir, can we store the subclass object in superclass reference variable?
That is not covered as of now. In the typecasting, we will understand. Superclass reference variable can hold subclass object. Yes,
Okay,
we will
sir. Okay,
discuss in the
sir.
typecasting.
Okay, sir. Sir, when we start to apply for job?
Yeah.
When we start to apply for job?
You need to complete, I mean, as a fresher or as a experience?
As a fresher, sir.
Fresher, core and advanced Java. Advanced Java complete होने के बाद.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
cool. Charan Balam, what is your question, Charan?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening, Charan.
Sir, what is the difference between data hiding and encapsulation and data hiding and abstraction, sir?
Data hiding means we are not going to expose the data for others to modify. That is called data hiding. That data hiding we are achieving by using encapsulation. So there is no difference between encapsulation and data hiding. Data hiding is the process of hiding the data that we are achieving by using encapsulation. That's it. Suppose
yes, sir, but you
I
also
have
mentioned in abstraction also there will be a possibility of data hiding.
Yeah, still we have not discussed abstraction. Once I discuss the abstraction, you will get more clarity on that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so as of now, you have the concept of encapsulation, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
encapsulation means hiding the data. I mean, we are packaging the data and its methods in a class so that others cannot directly modify the values of our variables. They can just refer them by using setters and getters. Okay, what is abstraction? That we will discuss in the next session. Next session will be there on Monday. In the Monday session, we will discuss about abstraction. Okay. Yes. Iqbal, Hazier relation I have not explained yet. I will explain Hazier relation also. Hazier relation is nothing but just creating the object and calling the method is called a Hazier relation. Easier relation nothing but extending the properties for reusability. Hazier relation means creating the object and calling the methods is called Hazier relation. I will discuss that easier and Hazier relation difference as well. Yeah, next one, Lal Kumar, what is your question?
Yeah, hi sir.
Hi Lal.
So sir, how can we take input from keyboard for methods? Like we write the method M1 and take player as input. Okay. So
yeah, you can take it from the buffer reader or you can take it by using scanner also.
No, I mean to say that sir, okay, when I take player input as 7 or 45 for Dhoni data 7 or for Kohli data 18. So how can we take that input 7 or 18 or 45 like that?
Yeah, that is what, man. Wherever you have the method, suppose for example, here my main method is available. Inside this main method, you can write that buffer reader to read the data and you can pass it as input for other method. Simple. Suppose here I have a class demo. Inside this class, I have a method which will give the person object. Okay, person get person. This is based on ID, right? So here we will have a logic to check the ID and return the person
Okay.
object. Now this get person method we are going to call from the main method, string arguments. Okay,
Okay.
as this
Okay.
get person method is a instance method, we will create the object for the demo. Demo d is equal to new demo. In the demo class, we have that get person method. We have to call d dot get person. For that, we need to pass the id. This
Okay.
id we can take from the keyboard from here. Buffer reader.
Okay.
Buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader of input stream reader. Br dot read line. You will get the string. You will get the string str is equal to br dot read line. Whatever the string you are getting, you will convert into integer. Integer id is equal to integer dot parse int of str. That's it.
Okay. So we can do it from scanner class also.
Yes, you can do that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Whatever the id that you need, that id you can read from the keyboard from here. That id you can pass to this method whenever you are calling this method. Here I'm calling the method. Method is expecting id. That id I am taking from the keyboard and I am passing that as a input.
Yeah.
Same thing can be done by using scanner class also.
Actually, I'm using only a scanner class, so that's why. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good man. Priyanka, what is your question? Hello, Priyanka.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Priyanka.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, madam.
How should we know when we use instance methods and static methods?
Yes, instance methods we will use when we are going to call them with the object. Static methods means if the method is common for all the classes, the same method which we are going to use across the project, then we will go for static methods. If the methods are particular to particular class, this method will be used only in this class, then we will go for instance. If the methods are common methods, for example, in future we are going to work with date conversions. Date conversion is used across the project. I want to convert from mmdd yy na, so this value is available. I want to convert this value to dd yy. So these date conversions are common across the project. Anybody in the project can use that method to convert the date. The methods which are common across the project, which we will be using in the multiple classes in the project, then we will go for static methods. Otherwise we will go for instance methods.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
One more thing, sir. Encapsulation is used for data hiding.
Right.
Is there any example? Can you tell me, sir?
The example is writing the private variables, that is called data hiding. Other side, outside
Okay.
people cannot access that, right? Integer ID is available. So whatever the value I store in this int ID is equal to 10, can outside people access this data directly? They
No,
cannot,
sir.
because we are hiding the data. That is the encapsulation.
Okay, sir.
Yep.
Sir, in constructor, we are writing variables this dot variable name.
Right.
Is there any chance to write the variables with object name?
This represents the object only. Whenever you write this, this means object only. You no need to write the object separately, because here you are not going to create the object in the constructor. When the
Yes, sir.
object is created, then the constructor will be called. That object you are referring by using this keyword. This means object only.
Okay, sir.
This
Thank
is
you,
the
sir.
reference of the object. You no need to create the object separately.
Okay.
Yeah. Abhijit, what is your question? Hello, Abhijit. You can unmute and you can speak. Hello, Abhijit. By your voice is too low. Speak loudly. Abhijit, can you speak loudly?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Was audible, ma'am? Sir?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Sir, I given a question in chat box. Sir, can you explain it?
Mm,
Hello.
What is that question, man?
Sir, there are 6 coins. Arrange the coins in L shape, where the count of coin is in vertical position should be equal to count of the coins in horizontal position. This would be applicable to n numbers of coins.
I did not get that question.
I'm
Can you
telling-
please send it? Yeah, send it in the WhatsApp to me. You
Okay,
have
okay,
that number.
okay,
right?
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Next, Sita Ramaya. What is your question?
Sir, my question is where exactly we use methods and constructors, sir?
Constructors are used to initialize the variables of the class. Okay. Methods are used to perform the operation. So whenever you are implementing a login page or registration page, when a user click on the login button, his credentials should be validated. If it is correct, then he should log in. If it is not correct, it should display error message. That logic we will do by using method. Method is used to perform the operation. Method is used to perform the operation. Constructors are used to initialize the variables. Got it?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Next one. Any other questions, anybody? Next question, guys. Yeah, Kaji, can you unmute your mic? Guys, who is having a question? In the Zoom, there is a raise hand option. Please use that raise hand option. I will give unmute option. Yeah, Kaji, can you unmute your mic?
Sir, can we call the static method in another non-static method, sir?
Yes, you can call by using class name.
Okay. Class name we can call in another method also.
You
using
see
the
here. You
direct
see
class.
here. I will
Yeah.
write the program. Now, here we are having void m1. It is a non-static method. I'm writing static void m2. M1 is what? Instance method. M2 is what? Static method. Now, in the non-static method, you want to call the static method. You can call M2. Directly you can call. By using class name also you can call, or directly you can also call. Why? Because for the static, memory will be allocated first, then objects will be created. So static methods can be called from the non-static methods directly by using class name. And here in the static, if you want to call the non-static, then you need to create the object and then you need to call it. Product P is equal to new product P dot M1. You can call like this. Here-
What about in another class, sir? If we're having in one class a static method, in another class having the
Wherever you are calling the instance method, if you want to call the instance, object is mandatory. If you want to call the static, class name is sufficient.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So another having a question, but I want to show the code, sir, that in ID is there, sir. I have just one query, sir. Shall I share the screen, sir?
Yeah, you can share. Share it and show me.
Yeah. Is it visible, sir?
It's loading. Yes, I can see now.
Yes, sir. I just created one class, and in this having the private variables and this one. I just created one here method, open account, and set as these all the things. But here, how to retrieve this? Retrieve that, sir, means I have created here the objects, object array.
Mhm.
Then I in every object I have I call the method that open account. In that it is there name, ID, and all. But retrieve while retrieve,
Where are you?
not
Where are
getting
you storing that data?
in objects, array.
Where are those objects available?
Mm,
Okay, I will send this requirement clearly. You can try. If not, then today I will send you this requirement, how to open this.
okay, okay.
Okay, fine, Kaji. Next one, Sudha, what is your doubt?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, hi Sudha, good evening.
Yeah, sir. In encapsulation, we are protecting the hiding the data by using private, right?
Okay.
So we can access that using the setter and getter. So what is the use?
Private setter getters you are accessing, but setters getters you are accessing by using object, right? Every object will maintain its own copy. You are not changing the original variable value. You are using your own copy of the variables.
Oh.
Got it?
Yeah, got it. But my question is why to use encapsulation? So
I don't
can-
want simple. My variables are available. In my variables, I will keep some data as a default data. I will initialize my variables in the class. I don't want you to modify the values of my variables directly. If you want, you can reuse my variables to store your data and retrieve the data. But I don't want you to change my data. Okay, for that reason, we are taking private variables and we are exposing them with the public setters and getters.
Okay, sir. That was my question. Thank you.
Yeah, Ramesh Yadav, what is your question?
Sir.
Yeah, hi Ramesh.
How to call the parameterized constructor in inheritance constructor?
How to call parameterized constructor in the
inheritance constructor?
I mean, you want to call superclass constructor in the subclass?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, for that there is a super keyword. Super keyword I have not explained yet. In the super
Okay,
keyword,
sir.
I will tell you.
Okay.
When child class want to access superclass variables or methods or constructors, we will go for super keyword.
Yes.
In the super keyword, I will explain you that part. Okay.
Sir, I will want to screen share.
Screen share.
Yes.
Yeah, share it. You can share.
Yes, sir. This is my problem.
I can't see your screen. Yeah, I can see, man. Tell me.
Yes, sir. This question, sir. Here, sir.
Public student.
I want to this call this constructor. Sir.
Here, in the line number 23, you are creating object by using zero param constructor, na?
Yes.
Yeah, you need to call the parameter constructor. For the student class, change the line number 23, pass 3 parameters for that.
Yes, sir.
The line number 23. Yeah, pass the parameters. For the constructor, you need to pass the parameters. No. First parameter is ID. First parameter is ID. Second parameter is name. Name nothing, comma. Arey yaar, how to pass the parameters, man? Comma, comma, comma. 1 comma, Raju in the double quotes. Raju is a name, right? Name should be in the double quotes. Comma salary, that is a decimal value, double value. No, but ये क्या कर रहा है? Yeah, now it will call your parameter constructor. Ramesh, yes.
Yes.
Calling na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Understood how to call the parameter constructor?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good. Done. Any other question, Ramesh?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. Yeah. Amit, what is your question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi, Amit.
Which is better, sir? Tag input from keyboard, sir? Scanner या string buffer?
So anything is fine. So in the scanner class, as of now, we are using a buffer reader, right? In future, we'll discuss a scanner.
Okay, sir. Now, sir, which is better, sir?
Both are better. No issue.
Okay,
But
sir.
if you go for scanner, na, the advantage is direct methods are available. Next int,
Yes,
next
sir.
double. So direct methods are required. If you go for buffer reader, it will read everything as a string. But when you go for scanner, it will do the typecasting. Scanner is advanced than buffer reader.
Yes, sir. String into int.
हाँ.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ठीक है. Iqbal, we cannot override the static method. The reason is static methods are binded to the class. Overriding related to methods is only for objects. So when we go for static methods, overriding is not possible. If you write the same static method in superclass and subclass, that is not called overriding. That is called method hiding. I will explain that part as well. Overriding is possible only for the instance method, not for static methods. If you try to override the static methods, it is not called as overriding. It is called as method hiding. Yeah. Next question. Anyone? Satya Raut. Yeah, hi Satya. What is your question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Satya.
Sir, actually, yesterday we developed the bank application. Actually, there in real time, if you develop that application, RBI is a interface, or they take it as abstract class, or I think they will take that.
We'll come to know. As of now, interface substrat class is not explained. Na?
Yes, sir.
I will explain them.
And in block concept, sir, in real time, are you using any block concept?
Block. Static blocks we will use. Instance blocks we don't use. Static blocks also, now they are not using the static blocks also. Earlier, people used it to work with static blocks. Now we are not using them as well.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I want to share the screen. Actually, I am trying to develop the bank application.
1 minute. Yeah, Satya. Yes, Satya. You can share it now.
Yes. Is it visible?
1 minute. Yeah, it is visible, man.
Yeah. So, sir, I'm trying to develop that application by taking RBI as a class as of now, and I'm validating the user entry by hard coding that value as account number and PIN. In some method, what happens, sir? Suppose I want to, I am having a if clause, which is return some value that is integer type. And in outside if class, I want to return some string values, maybe the invalid credential or anything. But at a time, we can return one value, either string or int type. Then how to
Yes.
handle that situation?
You want to return both the int and string, huh?
Yes, sir.
In one method, you
Sir.
want to return both.
Yeah, sometimes it happen that the if inside if class, I want to return int value.
Then you need to
But-
take a return type as a object.
Okay, sir. In object, we can return any type of value, right? But
Right,
one
right.
at a time.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, another doubt is there. Suppose I am overriding one method. Suppose there is an unword reduction method is available.
Sorry, can you come
I think
again?
that unword reduction method.
Can you come again?
Unword reduction method available in my sub. Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In my SBI bank subclass.
You have a annual deduction. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is a overridden method, I think.
Okay. Okay.
In bank class, I have that method.
Your
Yes,
voice is
I have that in this
your
method.
voice breaking, Babu.
Is it audible now, sir?
No.
Hello.
Can you try once again?
So now it is audible.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Suppose
No. One minute. One minute, Satya. Your voice is breaking. I am not able to. Guys, anybody able to hear him clearly? Is his voice clear? No, I'm not getting voice properly. Check your mic, Satya. Meanwhile, I will go with other person. You check your mic and try once again.
Is it audible now, sir?
Yeah. Now speak out.
Yes, sir. So I got confused sometime that which method I need to override in my class. Suppose the simple reason is I want to provide my logic. That's why I override that method, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So every time in real time they don't provide the logic, na? Means in parent class.
Right.
Yeah. So in that scenario, we just need to override that method to execute our logic, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Got it, sir.
Good. Yeah. Iqbal, what is your question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Iqbal.
So there's a program money I have done in array, but I am not getting the output. I just want to share the screen with you once.
Yeah, please. Yeah, share it.
Okay. Share. And is my screen showing, sir?
Yes.
So see, this is basically a program I am doing when I want to alternate swap. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are my array, I want to swap 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay, so logic is correct, I know, but so here, see, I am taking input from keyboard.
Okay.
And I am converting each element in as array.
You are
in the array
storing
as
that in the
integer.
array. Okay.
Yeah, everything is right, sir. But whenever I am running it,
One
nothing.
minute. Go. Run that program.
Earlier something is coming, sir. This one is constructor.java. This one's output is showing. Okay, I'm stopping it.
Yeah. Right click on the program and run. Run as Java application.
Nothing is coming, sir.
No.
Only on
the problem is go to menu window. Window, show view. Click on console. Okay, your program is not terminated. Can you see that?
Yeah, but
it is going into infinite condition, infinite loop.
So it is the first line, sir. I am not I'm trying to scroll it, but there is nothing I am getting. So it is
going to an infinite loop. The program is not even terminating. There's something, there is a logically some mistake is there. So send me that code. I will debug in my local and I will tell you where it is going infinite. Or else you can, I mean, I think, did you understand the debugging in that video?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can debug here.
Yeah, keep a breakpoint, right click. Yeah, right click on the program, debug as
Yeah.
Java application.
FN F6, no, sir.
F6 you need to press. Yeah,
FN F6.
do F6.
See, buffer detect is on first line.
Yes, debug it. Go to F6.
FN F6, second line.
Yes, F6.
After that,
It is
the
waiting in
thing.
the keyboard. Okay. So no. It is, I mean, can you click on your, minimize that class? Can you do Control M?
Control M.
Yeah, now enter the value in the console. It is expecting some data from the keyboard now.
But I have written some, sir. Enter the size of the array. I have written
Before
a statement for it.
1 minute. You have written that on the 20th line, but it is trying to read that on the 19th line only. And in the 19th line, you have written br.readline.
Yeah.
You have to type some number there. Type some number. Enter. Yeah. You understand?
But again, okay, sir. FN F6.
Your SOP should be above. That is a
Okay,
mistake.
sir. Got it. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Next.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Parvesh Kumar, what is
Sir,
your
can you
question?
hear me?
Yes, man.
Sir, can we call like instance method?
Yeah, one instance method can be called from another instance method directly without object also.
Okay.
If they are in the same class, you can call directly. If they are in the different class, you have to create the object and you have to call.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good, man.
Thank
you. Devdutta, what is your question? Devdutta. Hello, Devdutta. What is your doubt?
Sir?
Huh.
Yes, sir. I can want to share my screen.
Your name? Devdutta.
Devadatta Das.
Yes, share it.
Sir, in this line, I will found an error in 38 line. But why I can get error, I don't know.
Boolean found. So you are using IDE or which one? Which IDE you are using? IntelliJ IDE.
Yes, sir.
Can you keep your cursor on that variable? If found, not here in the line number 38, can you keep the cursor? In the line number 38 on the variable,
Yes,
keep the cursor. Yeah. It is showing the error. Na? Click on that error. Keep that error cursor. Keep the cursor. It will show you. I think initialization you have not done. So Boolean found. So can you store some value to the Boolean? Initialize. So Boolean is a local. The found is a local variable.
Yes,
The rule for the local variable, before using the local variable, we have to initialize that.
Yes, sir.
Store some value, either true or false value. Save it. Now the error is gone.
Yes, sir. Now this is the correct.
Local variables should be initialized before accessing them. That is the problem.
Sir, in local variable, we bound to store some value.
Yes, we have to store some value. That means initialization is mandatory for the local variable before using.
Yes, sir. Sir, another question is, sir, can we use private and static keyword in method override?
Yeah, method overriding rules I will explain. I will send the rules of the method overriding.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, anyone else? If you have question, you can raise your hand in the Zoom. If you have any question, you can raise your hand in the Zoom, guys. Ishwar, yes. What is your question, Ishwar?
Sir, we can overload main method, sir.
No, man.
Thank you.
Next one. Okay. Good, guys. So we're completed. Guys, I will send some programs for your practice today and tomorrow. Please work on those programs. We'll continue on Monday. Okay. Thank you, guys. I will send the assignment in the group. Please develop those programs on your own. Logically, the programs will be there logically. You need to develop them. So this today and tomorrow you can utilize that. And UI and Oracle will be starting. Oracle will be starting from the 14th. UI will be starting in the next Wednesday. UI will start from next Wednesday. Oracle UI is starting on the 9th and Oracle is starting on the 14th. UI class will be there at morning 11 a.m. By Naveen sir, and Oracle will be there at night 9 p.m. by Mahesh sir. So UI and Oracle will be there in the online. Next week UI. After that, Oracle classes will start from 14th. Thank you. Thank you, guys. We'll see you on Monday.